Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to disable ad blocker from Chrome. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your browser, then go to these three dots right here, click on them, then go to settings. After going to settings, you should search for privacy and security. Click on it, then go to site settings. Then go down and search for additional content settings. Click on it, then search for ads or anything that is related to ads. And as you can see here, I have intrusive ads. You can tap on it, then it will show you these two options right here. And to disable the ad blocker, all you have to do is to replace from this option right here to this option right here, make this option here checked, and by this way you disable the ad blocker on Chrome. And as you can see, it was very easy. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Do not forget to leave a comment below and see you in a new video.